Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese nachos at home step by step. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees C and arrange a single layer of tortilla chips on a rimmed baking sheet. Sprinkle an even layer of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack, then add a light scattering of sliced jalapenos and black beans if you like. Bake briefly until cheese melts, then finish with fresh salsa and cilantro for bright flavor. Start by layering chips and cheese to create pockets of gooey coverage across the tray. Use a mix of sharp cheddar and melty Monterey Jack for depth and stretch. Keep wetter toppings like pico de gallo, sour cream, and guacamole off until after baking so chips stay crisp. If you want proteins, sprinkle cooked seasoned beef or shredded chicken between cheese layers for even heating and maximum flavor. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow and bring more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for storing leftover nachos toppings, keeping salsa fresh and preventing spills when you transport lunch. They're sturdy, easy to clean, and save fridge space, which I find hilariously useful after nacho night. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Slide the tray into the preheated oven and bake for 5 to 8 minutes until cheese bubbles and edges turn golden. Watch closely to avoid burning and rotate the pan if needed for even color. Once out, add finishing touches like chopped cilantro, sliced avocado, a squeeze of lime, and dollops of sour cream. Serve right away so chips remain crisp and the cheese stays delightfully stringy and warm.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.